Tired of your breakfast pizza ending with a hard, overcooked yolk? I've got two secrets that guarantee a perfectly oozy golden yolk every time. Pizza dough, tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, ham, and the golden egg. Stretch the dough, and then you spread on the sauce and load up with the mozzarella cheese, but leave the center empty for the egg. Here's secret number 1. Don't add the egg yet, or you end up with hard yolk. Bake the base first for 10 minutes at 275 degrees. Once the base is done, take it out, and then only you add the ham and crack in the egg. Now for secret number 2, is all about timing. Put it back in the oven, same temperature, but only for 3 and max 4 minutes. Still wobbly? Put it back in the oven, but maximum 1 minute, no more. There you go. No more overcooked yolks. Just remember these 2 secrets: a 2-stage bake and the 3 to 4 max minute rule, and you nail that runny egg breakfast pizza every single time. Crispy crust, melty cheese, and the golden yolk. Perfect every time.